Hello everyone. Well, you know me. My name is Pallavi. You can call me by my nickname that is Pallu or Lupal. I just want to discuss something about COVID 19. I observe from my daily life. Okay, now I know that COVID 19 is now 8 9 months old, and people do not have much afraid of COVID 19 now. But I saw in newspaper and news that on daily basis the patients increases day by day. I mean, in a day, in 24 hours, the ratio of COVID 19 patients are 60,000, 70,000, 75,000. It crosses day by day. So I know that everybody are aware that what precautions we have to do, okay, how to deal with COVID 19, but we are not doing. So I just want to discuss the things, the precautions, only three, four, five precautions we have to uh, take to just keep yourself away from COVID 19. Yes. First one on priority basis that we have to wear mask. I know that in summer this is quite impossible for us and very tricky for us to just put the mask over our nose and mouth because we feel the suffocations. Okay, but this suffocation you have to tolerate this suffocation to keep yourself away from COVID 19. Yes, look, we do have various varieties of mask in market. You can use different color mask. Okay, just add this in your uh, life and just purchase lots of mask of different colors. Okay, when I'm going out I used to wear the matching mask. Okay, so it is not necessary to just use N95 or any advanced type of mask. The main motto to wear mask is to just keep yourself away from COVID 19 and cover your nose and mouth. Okay? You can cover your nose by any handkerchief, any scarf. Okay? But it will be good if you are using any mask. Okay? It doesn't matter that you are using one layer or two layer, three layer, how many layers mask. Just use the mask. Okay? And second one, when we are going out, we just forget that we have to maintain social distancing, right? So just repeat at least 1 to 3 times before going out that we have to maintain the distance of at least 1 feet and keep your ourselves away from the other, okay, by 1 feet at least to just maintain the social distancing. Okay, before going out, before going out, just have some 2 3 drops of sanitizer on your palm and then rinse your or rub your hands. Okay, because the layer of sanitizer keep the virus away from you when you are going to touch anything before going out. Okay, so just use sanitizer before going out and wear mask, and keep this in your mind that you have to maintain the social distancing as well when you are going out. Okay, and I just add one thing also in precautions, that is when you are going out, have some tissue paper in your pocket or with you. Okay, if you do not have tissue paper with you, just purchase, or if you are not going to purchase any tissue paper, okay, so just you all have newspaper with you. Okay, just cut the newspaper in small pieces. Okay, and just put this in your pocket. This is for when you are going to touch anything, like when you are crossing the stairs and touching the railing, if it is necessary to just touch anything, just use that newspaper. When you are using the lift and pressing the lift button, just use, do not use your finger and hand, just use that piece of newspaper or tissue and just press or touch anything and just throw that newspaper in the dustbin. Okay, these 4 5 things I know that you all are aware, and you all are uh, maybe you are doing the things, but as in newspaper, what I saw that the ratio increases day by day. Just for this only, I'm just going to tell you these things. Okay, just keep in your mind and just discuss these 4 5 things. First one is to just remember these things, that we have to wear mask, we have to sanitize our hand. When we are going out, we have to put some tissue paper or newspaper with us in our pocket or purse, and wear mask, I already told you. And when you are at home, coming back at your home, just rinse your hand by for 15 20 seconds. Okay, and remove your old clothes and put them in your washing machine. Okay, and that is all. These 4 5 basic things which you have to keep this in your mind to keep yourself away. This is the time when you do not have to think for yourself, you have to think for others, because you are the citizen of our India. Thank you very much for giving me lots of time. I mean, 5 6 minutes for your life, for listening to my this video. Thank you very much, everybody. Bye bye, friends.